In this video we will talk about home remedies for diaper rash. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Baby's skin is the most sensitive and soft. At some time or another, most of babies do come down with diaper rashes despite our efforts to prevent them. As the name implies, diaper rash is what appears in the area covered by a diaper. And almost every baby is affected by diaper rash at least once. For some it is rare occurrence, while for some babies, diaper rash is quite a frequent unwelcome guest. The common cause of diaper rash is that the diaper area is usually covered 24 hours with a diaper that is often wet and messy as urine mixes with feces. The warm moist setting is just perfect for diaper rash eruption. Diaper rashes happen irrespective of whether your baby is wearing a disposable or cloth nappy. Prevention: diaper rash. Change diapers as soon as they get wet and messy. Wash and dry baby's bottom, paying special attention to creases and skin folds at each change. Avoid using too much pressure or scrubbing to the bottom of the baby. Wipe or pat gently. Wipe from front to back, as you will avoid transferring bacteria to the genital area. Don't tie or secure the diaper too tightly. Allow some room for air to flow inside. Avoid using harsh or perfumed soaps while washing cloth diapers. Avoid plastic diaper covers. Rinse cloth diapers thoroughly with very hot water. Change your baby's diaper frequently. Let your baby go bare bottom from 15 minutes to 30 minutes a few times a day. Exposing the baby's skin to air is a natural way to healing. Home remedy for treatment of diaper rash. Wash the baby's bottom with running tap water after every bowel movement to give diaper rash relief. Dab dry rash area with a soft cloth and apply Vaseline or any rash-free creams or gel. Put some oatmeal in the bath water. Keep swishing the water around the area that has the diaper rash for about 15 minutes. Mix corn starch and Vaseline to make a paste. Put it on the rash and rash will be gone by the next diaper change unless it is really bad. Generously rub the lanolin oil over affected area. The lanolin forms a waxy coating over the area, allowing it to heal and not become re-irritated with every diaper. Pour milk of magnesia all over the rash and next diaper change, the rash will be almost healed. Use until rashes disappears. Wash the baby's bottom with warm water and dry it very good. Take vegetable oil and pour it in your hand. Then apply it to the diaper rash. Put plenty of Vaseline on baby and diaper. This forms a waterproof layer between baby's skin and diaper. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.